Aye.
Mr. Galvin, come forward. Okay, so we're gonna get a jury trial date. And how long are you are saying this trial will last?
Probably 3 days. Yes, it's a little complicated, yes.
Okay, all right. And are all of these cases arising out of the same occurrence?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. So, Ms. Ferguson, 3 days, jury trial date. All right, so we're gonna recall this for October.
Judge, can we check another date? I'm coming back on vacation on September 29th, so I'm thinking I'm still gonna be a little foggy.
You need a little, the vacation glow.
There you go. That's it too.
Norma, do you have another date other than October 1st? No, we can't send this to impact because it's not gonna go. Because it's a failure to stop and render aid.
There's an ag assault in there too. There's an ag assault in there too.
Yes.
And maybe.
December 10th.
All right, December 10th? Okay. All right, December 10th is your jury trial date.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused. Thank you for dressing appropriately for trial. Deputy Laura, there was something wrong with the audio, but it's fixed now. So it's going to be great.
Hey, Judge. This lady that I'm gonna have you bring up, she has a degenerative brain condition, so I'm gonna have her daughter come up with her. She's the one that brings her to court and stuff.
Okay, all right, just give me a minute. Let me put this in Odyssey. And John, just let the deputy know as well. All right, Gadal? Hello. So,
This is where things get tricky. A missed court date usually means an automatic warrant, but here the defense claims it was just a court mix-up. Do you think that's a genuine mistake or just a convenient excuse? Share your thoughts below.
does she still have a warrant?
Yes, Your Honor, she does.
All right, so where are we on this case with regards to discovery?
That, we didn't talk about that.
No, Judge, we were talking about reinstating the bond.
All right, so have you talked to the bondsman to see if they want to be on the bond?
Yes, Your Honor, they do.
Okay.
Judge, I think what happened, she has, I think I tendered to the court her explanation for this.
Mhm.
She has been in communication with her bonding company, with pretrial services. It's evident that she is not attempting to not report to anyone. In fact, she did come into court on August 15th. She reported to her bonding company. Her bonding company told her that she did have court on the 15th. They told her that she had court in the 186, and she reported to the 186. And when she went to the 186, they told her she didn't have court. At that time, she already had a warrant out for her arrest.
Well, no, the reason why a warrant was issued, of course, she didn't show, but also because the pretrial services filed a violation report.
Well, it wasn't because she didn't show, it was because they're saying that she wasn't calling into pretrial services. But
I mean,
she
that's
had,
why.
she had been calling into pretrial services, or maybe she didn't call in one time. I'm
Well,
not really sure. I did call in and it shows on the,
No. Let me just tell you what it says. The violation report that the court received was that they tried to bring you into compliance by sending text messages and email, contacting the bail bondsman, and they did a clear check, and all of that was unsuccessful. And what I can tell you in this court, what I do, because sometimes there is cross communication, things get missed. So whenever I see a violation report and it comes across my desk, what I do is I email the supervision officer and your pretrial services officer, and I email their supervisor, and I ask, is this person, still in non-compliance? If they say no, then what I do is I set it for a hearing. I don't automatically sign violation reports from pretrial services because sometimes there are issues. Sometimes communications are off, because there have been some times where I received a violation report and then I'll email and they'll say, oh no, the person is now in compliance. So I always do that. So they're saying that they called your bondsman and your bondsman is like, we don't know where she is. They said they sent text messages and emails and there was no response. So we had a hearing on the violation report, and I asked for Ms. Ferguson on July 31st to set it for a hearing. And so then it got set for August 6th. And then what I did was, because you were no-show, I said, maybe people don't know about it. So then I had a recall for August 7th, because in my notes on the violation report that's in the court file, it says judge's warrant remain without bond, defendant a no-show for hearing on August 6th and August 7th.
Here the judge explains the violation report process, pointing out that warrants aren't just rubber-stamped. They're double-checked with pretrial services, which is crucial because a single miscommunication could unfairly put someone behind.
So that's the history of this case. So I will take up your issue for reinstating bond, but I'll take that up after you all have conferred on discovery, after an offer has been tendered, if one is going to be made today, then I'll take up this issue.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And Norma, on Esther San Miguel, they say they need this says immigration attorney needed. I'm sorry, interpreter needed.
The daughter can interpret for purposes of
No,
this.
I need.
Okay. Okay.
the interpreter.
No, that's,
So Norma, if you'll call. All right, Mr. Jones, you need to unmute. Who is the prosecutor on Eric Michael Jones? It's criminal trial division, a drug case.
I believe it's Andrew Edelman, Your Honor.
All right, well, come forward. Have you received all of the discovery?
No, Your Honor, we're still awaiting videos being uploaded.
All right, so do you believe the state has the videos in their possession?
I do,
And
Your Honor.
they just need to be uploaded?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
And I also need to approach on a motion to substitute.
All right, so you're not the attorney?
Not quite.
Ah,
Thank you, Your Honor. The order's been back.
all right, we're going to go on the record. Court is calling 2024 CR 007042, State of Texas versus Eric Jones. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garahan, Your Honor.
Defense.
John St. Heinrich, Mr. Jones.
And are you Eric Jones?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, any objection to Mr. Jones appearing by video, state?
No, Your Honor.
Defense.
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Jones, do you have any objection to appearing by video?
No, ma'am.
All right, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily consented to appear by video. Mr. Jones, this attorney has filed a motion to substitute counsel. Do you have any objections to this attorney substituting in?
No, ma'am, I do not.
All right, then the court will grant your motion. We're off the record. Thank you. So, discovery. You say some video needs to be uploaded?
Yes, Your Honor.
And is this body cam? What is it?
I believe it's body cam, Your Honor, from the arresting officers.
Okay.
Body cam footage can make or break a criminal trial because without it, cases often turn into a he said, she said battle. But with that video evidence, every word and every move is locked in time, giving the jury a clear picture of what really happened.
All right. So then what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you a turnaround for discovery. And then they'll have the body cams uploaded.
Yes, Your Honor.
And state if at the next setting you'll be prepared to tender an offer.
Certainly.
All right. So Ms. Can we recall this in 30 days, please? All right. It's September 26th. And Mr. State, you may be excused. Mr. Jones, where are you zooming from?
My house in Missouri.
All right. All right. You can appear by Zoom on September 26th.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Thank you. And thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Have a great day.
Yes, ma'am, you too.
All right. Thank you.
Mr. Jones.
You're welcome. So we'll be back on September 26th and he can be by Zoom.
All right, thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Are you all ready on your case? Oh, just whenever you're ready to bring her up, counsel. Deputy Mejia, do you see Jones on the docket, Eric Jones? All right. I can't see this. All right. Thank you. Hello.
I'm going to bring the daughter up as well, if that's okay.
Sure. Councils, if you all will stop blocking the entryway, please. Just move it to the side.
You guys, all that.
Thank you. No problem. All right. So where are we on the immigration attorney? Have they given any advice on that?
Judge, I was recently hired on this case. I am unaware of the status of that. However, in conferring with the state this morning, I provided them some documentation of some things, and we're working towards hopefully a dismissal of this case.
And Judge, part of it is that I need to speak to the officers to let them know the information that the defense presented us.
Okay. So I understand where you all are going, but before you were hired, Mac was appointed and for immigration purposes.
I'll check in with them. Sure.
And state, how much time are you asking for to make this decision?
It would be a few weeks, Judge, just because we're trying to arrange a meeting with the officers on Friday, but just Labor Day weekend, the high that they may say that they're not available.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, can you recall this in a month for potential disposition? All right.
September 26th.
So on that date, state if things are not headed the way you think you're heading, I'm going to need you to tender an offer in defense. I'll need an update on the immigration status with the MAC.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Sounds good, Judge. Thank you very much.
All right. Is there anything else, Miss? Do you have any questions? All
Everything is fine.
right. Thank you. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Have a great day.
Thank you, Judge.
Oh, and thank you for dressing appropriately for court. All right. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you.
My pleasure, Meg.
All right.
Excuse.
Yes, it's always great seeing you.
My pleasure always.
Okay. Yeah. And see, now I'm not even hot. I'm just pleasant. You know, it's pleasant. I have my fan,
I agree.
but some visitor came in and complained about the AC, so
No. And that's.
yes.
Picture in here, you're not allowed. To do this with me.
Yes. All right, who's here on Carly Green?
Judge.
All right, is this criminal trial division?
It is CTD, yes.
All right, Carly Green, come up. All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a jury trial date. How long do y'all expect this trial to last? How long do you expect the trial to last?
3 days. I would say with voir dire, probably voir dire 1 day, and then case in chief would be about 2.
Sounds about right.
Yeah.
All right, Norma, are you able to put this one on October 1st?
Body cam footage can make or break a criminal trial because without it, cases often turn into a he said, she said battle. But with that video evidence, every word and every move is locked in time, giving the jury a clear picture of what really happened.
Or is it October 2nd? The first is a Tuesday. October 1st? All right, we'll come back for jury trial on October 1st.
That should work. I'm leaving town on the 9th, but I can't imagine this is going to take more than a week.
Okay.
So let's do it the first. Judge, we do have a motion. We filed it a few times. It's motion to modify or remove GPS. She's done well on GPS monitor. She's been on it now for about a year or so. We're hoping that we could take her off of it. I know the state's not in support of it, but in lieu of the fact that she's done well, she's reported, she's never missed a court date.
All right, we'll go on the record.
Yes, ma'am. If we'd be so kind.
Sure. Court is calling 2023 CR 10223, State of Texas versus Carly Green. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Andrew Hurst-Adelman.
Defense?
Adam LaHood for Ms. Carly Green.
All right, defense has filed a motion asking for modification of bond conditions. State, are you ready to proceed on the motion?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, defense, it's your motion. You may proceed.
Yes, Your Honor. We'll keep it brief. Judge, she's been on GPS monitor and she's done well. As far as I know, she's not had any mishaps. The only time that she was ever late to court one time was simply because she was actually with me. The court was in trial. She went to another court. But the point is, she's never missed court. She's been nothing but respectful, very, very responsive. I never had any issues in getting in touch with her. And she's been on this monitor now for the better part of a year. Judge, we're hoping you see fit to release her on GPS monitor. She's on bond, a high bond, which I believe is sufficient. And I think she's more than shown that she's capable of being supervised or being monitored out there without the need for a GPS monitoring device on her ankle.
All right, state.
State opposes the motion at this time. Before we would agree to it, we would like to contact the complainant. But if we contact the complainant and the complainant is not opposed, then we are not opposed to changing our position in the future.
All right, so let me ask this. Are you able to contact the complainant today?
I do not know if we can contact the complainant today or not.
All right, well, let's see if we can get in touch with the complainant today.
And obviously, let me know, Judge. I'm easy to reach. y'all know how to reach me via phone or whatever. And then I assume, and we're not opposed to no contact order with the complainant. I know she has no intention of ever seeing or having any contact with this person ever again.
If you'll just wait a little bit, they're going to step up to call, and then we'll continue the hearing after that.
Sounds good, Judge. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Kevin Curiel. Yes.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Norma, in this case, need a jury trial date. How long do y'all expect the trial to last?
Not more than a week, Your Honor.
You say not more than a week,
It would definitely get done.
but I mean, is it really a 5-day trial or no?
No, Judge, I don't think so. But I would rather over than under if it pleases the court.
Okay.
And I answered that. I don't even know if that question was frivolous.
No, it's for everyone.
I, for one, prefer not to make promises that I can't keep.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, jury trial date, 3 days. All right, so we're going to come back on December 10th.
Thank you, Judge.
And let me, before you go, have you all completed a discovery acknowledgement?
I believe we have, but if it's, I can check to confirm that, Your Honor.
All right, before you leave, that needs to be confirmed. And your jury trial date is going to be December 10th. Thank you for dressing appropriately for trial.
Thank you.
And you'll be excused once you sign, for dressing appropriately for court. And you'll be excused once you sign the reset form, and your attorney will remain to make sure that he has all of the discovery.
Your Honor.
All right, do you have any questions? All right, thank you.